Hi friends, for math today you have an activity in Seesaw, but I'm going to show you how to play the game here because I want you to learn a couple different ways that you can play it. So this video goes along with the Seesaw activity. Okay, you will need a container, something that you can put things inside of. So I have this jar and I just took things out of it. You can have a little bucket if you have a box or a shoebox, anything that you can put things inside of. Okay, and then you're going to need things. So I picked our operations dice. You might have cubes or buttons or Legos or anything like that that can be put inside your container. You can play by yourself or with a friend. Okay, if you play with a friend, you'll take turns being the person who puts stuff in the container. Okay, so let me take you with me. You'll also need a piece of paper and something to write with, okay, because we're going to be doing some number work. Okay, there we are. Okay, so I have my piece of paper and I'm going to use a marker so you can see it better. You can use a pencil. That way, if you make a mistake, certainly you could erase it. So whatever you have, okay? All right, so I have my container and I have my operations dice, and I have quite a few of them. I'm not going to count them, okay? And I'm playing by myself, but if you're playing with a friend, then remember that that person will be the one who will put things inside the bucket for you like a mystery, okay? So I'm going to just close my eyes, kind of like mystery bag at school, and I'm going to take a handful of operations dice and I'm going to put them inside the jar, okay? And now my job is to count them, okay? So I'm going to move you here so you can see what I'm doing with my hands. So I dumped them out. My container is empty now, and I have all the things here, and I'm going to count them. If you need your 10 frame for this part, for sure you can use that, okay? If it helps and makes it a little easier to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So I have 6. That's what I grabbed this time. And I'm going to write the number 6 right there in the middle. But now the job is to think about what number comes before 6. What is 1 less than 6? Now, you can think just in your brain about it. Okay, you can just think in your brain about it. Or if it will help you, since you put all of your items out, you can take 1 away and then see how many are left. Okay, so if I'm thinking about it like counting backwards, I would say 6, 5. I'm going to write my 5. Okay, and now I'm going to think about the number that's 1 more than 6. What if I added 1 more? And I could use fingers. I could think about, imagine another item next to the 6. Okay, and I'm going to just use some counting and see if that helps me. 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I put that there. Now, here is the challenge way to play. I want everyone to play it that way, the number that's 1 less and the number that's 1 more. And then for an extra challenge, you'll play the same way. You'll take a handful of items and you'll put them in a container and then you'll dump them out and count. And for an extra challenge, if you want to think about the number that is 2 more and the number that is 2 less, then you could do that. Okay, so if I had 6 and I'm thinking about a number that's 2 more than 6, 6, 7, 8, I would write an 8. And if I think about the number that's 2 less than 6, counting backwards, 6, 5, 4, 4. I would write the 4. Then you could play again after you do that a couple times, and you're really good at it. If you wanted to, you could challenge yourself by playing 3 more and 3 less. Okay, so some challenge ways to play it. Good luck!